properties of a determinant here. To prove it here, the example, if x, y, z are different and delta is equal to determinant of x, x square 1 plus x cube, second row elements y, y square 1 plus y cube, third row elements z, z square 1 plus z cube, okay, z square 1 plus z cube is equal to 0. They are already given here. Then show that 1 plus x, y, z is equal to 0. Okay. Take this delta here. Okay. So delta is equal to determinant of x square 1 plus x cube. Okay. So 1 plus x cube. Then y square 1 plus y cube. Then z square 1 plus z cube. 1 plus z cube. Okay. So there is a fifth property here. According to fifth property, if any row or any column, sum of two terms here. Okay. In that case, you can split as a sum of two determinants here. It is a property number 5. Okay. If any row and any column, sum of two terms like this, we can split as a sum of two determinants here. Therefore, here determinant of first row element here x, y and z here. Second row elements x square, then y square and z square here. Third row right here 1, 1 and 1 here. 1 and 1 here. Okay, then plus. Again determinant of first, second row keep as it is here. X, y, z here. Then x square, y square and z square here. Then x cube and y cube, z cube here. Okay, it is by property number 5 here. By property number 5 here. Okay. Then using the fourth property here. Okay, we can take a common factor here. X and x here. X is a common factor from first row here. Y is a common factor from second row. Z is a common factor from third row. Okay, and here in the first determinant here, again you are using a second property. According to second property, if you interchange any two row or any two columns, then the value of the determinant changing in its sign here. Okay, therefore I am interchanging these two columns here. Okay, first the second column as well as third column. Okay, so therefore this is equal to determinant of x, y, z keep as it here. X, y and z. Then here 1, 1 and write 1 and 1. Then write x square. So y square and z square here. So if you interchange the columns here, then the value of the determinant changing in sign here. So I am writing a sign minus. Okay, interchanging these two columns here. Okay, so minus plus becomes a minus here. And here take x common factor here. Y is a common, z is a common factor. Therefore the plus x, y, z here. Determinant of, so 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square here. Okay, beginning you use here fourth second property here by property number 2. By property number 2, and here we are using a fourth property here. So by the property number 4 here. Okay. Then again interchange these two columns in the first determinant here. If you interchange here, then this minus becomes a plus here. Okay, therefore this is equal to determinant of. Okay, here interchange these two columns here. So write here 1 and 1 here. Then write here x, y and z. Then x square, y square and z square here. and this one keep as it is here. So plus x, y, z here, determinant of. So 1 and 1 here, x, y and z, then x square, y square and z square. X square, y square, z square. Okay. Here you use the second property here. So by property number 2. Okay. Here you use the second property and here you use the fourth property. Next, write this one as it is here. But here use the second property. Interchange these two columns here. So 1, 1, 1, write in the first column. X, Y, Z, write in the second column. In that case, this minus becomes a plus here. Okay. Next, here these two determinants are same here. Therefore, in bracket write 1 plus xyz here. Therefore, this equal to in the bracket 1 plus xyz here into determinant of 1 and 1 here, x, y and z, then x square, y square and z square here. Okay. So, here determinant is the common here. Okay. Therefore, take a determinant common factor. Then remaining here 1 plus xyz. 1 plus xyz. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus xyz right as it is here. Okay. 1 plus xyz keep as it is here. The next step here, you can make these two terms as zeros here. Again using a property of the determinant here. You can make these two terms 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 1 minus 1 is 0. That is R2 minus R1. So R2 gives R2 minus of R1 and R3. R3 gives R3 minus R1. Okay. R2 gives R2 minus R1. Then this becomes 0. R3 gives R3 minus R1. Then this becomes 0. Okay. Therefore, here this equal to 1 plus x, y, z term keep as it is into determinant of 1 x and x square. Okay. So this is second here and this is first one. R2 minus R1. Okay. Only second and third row changes. Second and third row changes. Hence you write first row elements as it is here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. This is a 0. Next y minus x. So right here y minus x. Then y square minus x square here. Y square minus of x square. Next R3 minus R1 here. So this minus this 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. Z minus x. So it is a z minus of x here. Z square minus x square here. Hence here z square minus of x square. Okay. Therefore, this equal to 1 plus x, y, z here. 1 plus x, y, z right as it is. Okay. Then here determinant of first two column right here as it is here 1, 0, 0 here. Then x, y minus x, z minus x here. Then right here x square. And you know algebra formula y square minus x square. You know a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Hence y square minus x square is y plus x into y minus x here. And z square minus x square z plus x. Z plus x into z minus of x here. Okay. Here y square minus x square written as y plus x into y minus x. Z square minus x square can be written as z square plus x into z minus x. Z plus x into z minus x. You just observe here. Second row y minus x is a common factor, and the third row z minus x is a common factor. Take a common factor here. Therefore, here this is equal to 1 plus x, y, z into, then here y minus x common, y minus x common, here z minus x common here, z minus of x is the common determinant of here 1 x square. So right here 1 x square here. Then here 0 1 y plus x. So 0 1 y plus x here. Then here 0 1 z plus x. So 0 1 z plus x here. Determinant complete here. Okay. Even you can make this term also 0 here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. Therefore, okay. Here R3 gives R3 minus R2. R3 gives R3 minus R2 means only third row changes here. Hence, first two row keep as it is here. First two rows keep as it is. So therefore this equal to 1 plus x y z into then y minus x here. Y minus x into z minus x. Z minus of x into determinant of first elements are 1 x square here. Second elements are 0 1 and y plus x here. Okay. Then third row minus second row 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. So it is a 0. Next 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Okay, then here this minus this here z plus x. Okay, look here z plus x minus of this y plus x here. Okay, so y plus x. Take a minus inside here. Z plus x minus y minus x here. Okay, then plus x minus x cancels here. Then it is a z minus y. Okay, here if you subtract here, x and x cancels z minus y. So right here z minus y. Z minus of y. Okay. Then there is a property here. Okay, according to eighth property, if it is a diagonal determinant or diagonal matrix here, okay, it is a determinant here. Here these three terms are zeros here. If these three terms are 0, then you can multiply direct principal diagonal elements here. Hence, this is equal to 1 plus x y z into y minus x into z minus x into z minus y. Okay, here multiplication of the diagonal elements here z minus y. So value of this determinant is z minus y. You are using a last property. Okay, then they are already given this equal to what here 0 here. Delta is equal to 0. They are already given here. Okay, therefore here 1 plus x y z into y minus x z minus x z minus y is equal to 0 because they are already given here. Delta is equal to this equal to 0. You proved here value of this determinant is this here. So this is equal to what? 0. Okay, they are already given here. Then product of these three terms is 0 means either this is a 0 or this is a 0. This term is 0, even this can be 0 here. Hence 1 plus xyz is equal to 0 or y minus x is equal to 0 or z minus x is equal to 0 or okay or z minus y z minus of y that is equal to 0. Okay, but they given here x y z are different here. Okay, so since x comma y comma z are all different. Okay, these are distinct elements here, different elements. Hence, y minus x cannot be 0. Y minus x cannot be 0. Z minus x cannot be 0. Z minus x cannot be 0. Z minus y cannot be 0. Z minus y cannot be 0 because x, y, z all are different here. If they are same, then it becomes a 0. So, one example here, suppose x equal to 2 here and y is equal to 2, then x minus y gives what here? X minus y becomes a 0 because both are same element here. 2 comma 2 here, 2 minus 2 becomes a 0. In that case, if x, y, z are all same here, in that case it is a 0 here. If these are all different here, x, y, z are all are different elements, then this is not 0 here. This term is not equal to 0. Z minus x cannot be 0. Z minus y cannot be 0. Then this is a 0 here. Obviously, this term is 0. Hence, therefore, 1 plus x, y, z is equal to 0 here. So, this is our required result here. This is our required result. Okay, so that determinant of a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, second elements b minus c, c minus a minus b, third elements c minus a minus b, b minus c is equal to 0. Okay, so first write here the given determinant here. So determinant of a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. Okay, then adding all the row here. So r1 gives r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, therefore this equal to, here r1 only changes here. So second and third row keep as it is. Second elements are b minus c here, then c minus a and a minus b here. Then c minus a minus b and b minus c, right as it is here. Okay. So R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3, sum of these elements here. So look here, a minus b, then plus this b minus c here, then plus c minus a, here. So a and a cancels here, b and b cancels, c and c cancels here. Therefore, the equal to what here? 0. Hence, sum of these three elements is 0 here. Like that, sum of these three elements is 0. Here, the sum of these three elements is 0 here. Then again, there is a property here. If any row or any column, all the elements are zeros like this here, then value of the determinant is 0. Hence, this equal to 0. This equal to 0. This is the answer here. Okay.